Hey guys, I'm showing this Shinic twin window fan. It is a reversible airflow with a manual control, 3-speed settings, quiet mode with auto locking. So it's a removable buck screen, ETL listed, small window fan, fits windows with 22.5 to 33 inches. So as you can see, this is the small portable fan with the window thing, two twin fans here. These are the extension one that you can use. So this have total 3 speeds, all copper motor and durable and powerful. So this have this buck screen that you can use so that it can stop the bugs to come in. The manual that describes everything, how to use and put the things. So this, as I mentioned, have this hook as well, so you can use it in the window directly, or you can use this legs to put it as a stand and on the table or anywhere you want. So this is how this start up, and as I said, total 3 speeds. You can use in both hot and cold weather. So reversible fan, and you have seen this speed as well. So 3 speeds here. So you can also extend this side flap to fit in the window. So this is the buck screen that you can use. So there are hooks provided. I have to add this so that the bugs will not enter into the fan or into your room. So it's pretty nice design, have everything to protect you from the bugs. So I will just take out this legs. It's simple, just click and take it out. I was put in the window, and you can see this is working really nice, taking outside cold air inside the fresh air. So it's pretty nice fan, portable fan for window with a manual control and the dual motor and the dual function.